Hi guys, welcome back. I want to show you in this one, we already replaced the batteries and still in the light on, because start a model with the stock on. We clear the codes to 3 times. We see auxiliary battery terminals loose, but we tighten, we done everything. Clear the code is gone, but a drive, like 5-10 minutes, he came back home. For the starter motor relay stuck on, showing the high resistance. We check everything is good, and issuing for the fuse error for 150 amps. So, the best thing, worst thing in this one, we can't replace the fuse for the 150 amps already. You build up with the fuse array, so we have to replace all fuse in the box, not the box, high voltage one, fuse blaster. Take the fuse box out before firstly we take the battery, all the terminals out, and don't worry about these 2 lines for the high voltage ones. It's already written on the number on the connectors. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, there's nothing in there, so it's already written over there. And take the terms out from sided. It is a leak. So before taking this one, you have to take the bolts out and clips out. Was also having a blue lock there. That's not hard to take the fuse box out. That's easy. Just take these bolts off, everything, and you turn this off easily, and you can lift it up easily, the fuse box. And the best thing is you can take the connectors off from the inside. You can separate the fuse from the lines easily. Not like in the other cars. Maybe we can see that that has the wiring. We can't take the fuse box. We have to take all the things out. The connector in this one, you have to jiggle it? Jiggle and take the connector off. That's the best I can say see. Jiggle and take the fuse box out. No need to take this hole off. I'm trying, but no need to take this hole off like that. And like that. And because we have to take the high voltage filter, so there's 2 bolt on the downside. Take that to bolt off. Does it solve that? Is having they give them the fuse 150 ampere? In this one, in one line, see at the corner of. So sometimes maybe there's having when we not start from long time, like over a month, or it's in the warehouse. So the battery drain in, thus having some the high resistance and the use. So that's what sometimes not getting a full power there. There, all also put back everything together. Don't forget any ball loose, tighten, and don't tie too much as well. Put back everything, yeah. And tie the fuse box ball, 3 of them. All the connector bolts, battery terminals. Don't forget about the auxiliary battery as well. Tighten these bolts as well. And do the ignition cycle. Clear the curd, start the car, turn it off, and start again. Then leave the car for like 5 minutes to do running, and look if code coming back up or not. If it's not coming back, perfect system. But usually I'll change 2 times, 2 of them, the code doesn't come back. Leave the account for 5 minutes, no code, perfect. Thank you, bye-bye.